I'm Nate with Faster Hot Water. Today we're talking about what comes in the bridge valve kit and just a very basic assembly. First, we have the bridge valve itself. Then you will have two supply lines, two angle stops, and two sets of 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapters. The angle stops, you may not have to actually replace your existing angle stops with the ones that we've sent if your outlet side is a 1/2 inch that can hook up to our supply lines. The supply lines do have a gasketed fitting, or they are gasketed, so you shouldn't need any Teflon tape or pipe dope. Now these 3/8 adapters, they also have a gasket inside, and they'll be necessary if the supply lines coming from your sink are 3/8. Most likely they are 3/8. So you'll have to put these on there, and again, gasketed fitting, so you don't have to crank these down super tight. Then you will attach your supply line from your sink to this fitting, and your supply line from the sink should already have a gasket in that fitting as well. Now, of course, you can bend these supply lines into whatever shape fits your setup the best. So this is the basic setup for what you'll have. This will be your hot supply line. This is your cold supply line, and it's marked on the bridge valve itself. Hot in, hot out, cold out. And these will correspond with your hot and cold lines coming from your sink. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching the video on the bridge valve. If you have any questions on this, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or even an email. I'm always happy to help you out with whatever questions you might have about our systems. Thank you again so much for stopping by. We'll see you again real soon.